morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, finally, we received one of the latest smartwatch from Zeblaze. We have here the Zeblaze Meteor Smartwatch. Okay, and as you can see here, okay, it looks like a smart band smartwatch combination design. Okay, so this is the first look, if I'm not mistaken, for the Zeblaze Meteor Smartwatch. So let's check it out. Let's have the unboxing of this new wearable from Zeblaze. Again, if you have any questions regarding this smart band or smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. So we have here beautiful packaging for the Meteor. So we have the features here: health and fitness smart wristband, 24 health tracking, okay, 24-hour health tracking, 20 plus goal-based exercises, and sleep tracking stages. Okay, so we have additional features here: alarm clock, stopwatch, female health, and multi-watch faces. Okay, so it is IP68 waterproof rated, up to 14 days typical usage for the battery life, heavy usage, that is if you're going to use the heart rate, okay, and other sensors here, okay, during your workout. So it will last at least 7 days or 1 week. Meet Zeblaze Meteor, the motivational health and fitness smart wristband with built-in multiple sensors to keep you moving. Okay, so compatibility: Android 5.0 or iOS 9.0 and above platform. So from the Zeblaze company. So we have here the QR code and the website zeblaze.com. Okay, so let's check. Let's remove the packaging here and check the contents of the Zeblaze Meteor. Again, this is a first look for the Zeblaze Meteor Smartwatch. Again, if you have queries, please just drop a comment below, or if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button, like and share this video. Okay, so we have here the features: blood pressure. We also have the SpO2, the blood oxygen level here, monitoring and notifications. So beautiful packaging here. Okay, sporty look. So let's open the box and check the contents of the Zeblaze Meteor. So we have here, okay, the strap. Okay, seems like an 18mm strap here with a quick release pin. Okay, you have the magnetic charging, and we have the smartwatch. So let's remove this. So we have the rose gold color. Okay, so lightweight, so it has a PC body. Okay, it's not stainless steel, I think. So it is using a Watch Pro app based on the details here. Okay, so watch out also for our video review of the installation of the Watch Pro app with the Zeblaze Meteor. And of course, we have the user manual. So it is a booklet available in different languages. So let's check first the English here. Schematic diagram, charging. So we have a physical button here, as you can see. What else do we have? We have the interface, steps, motion tracking, sleep tracking. We also have the blood pressure. Let's have a closer look. Okay, blood oxygen here, weather, music, photo taking. Okay, alarm. We also have a female physiological monitoring here, the menstrual period. And we have the QR code. So we have the instructions here on how to synchronize your Zeblaze Meteor to the smartwatch. Okay, and we have here the UI of the support app. Okay, so let's check on the specs. Okay, do we have the specs here? So let's check. If you want to check on the specifications of this one, we have here on our website smartwatchspecifications.com. Okay, let me adjust the screen display here. So we have here the Zeblaze Meteor. Okay, so it has a polycarbonate body weighing 26.8 grams, very lightweight. Okay, it is really intended for activity tracking or sports monitoring. For the display, we have 1.57-inch IPS LCD screen. We're going to take a look at that later on. Slim bezel with a clear view display. So breathing exercises, so I have mentioned already, we have blood pressure monitoring, women's health tracking, we have at least 20 sports mode for this one, and we have smart notifications. So we have Bluetooth 5.0, 180 mAh, okay, 14 days standby time, 7 days of normal usage. Okay, so let's check on the wearable. Before that, let's try to attach this one. Okay, is it easy to connect it to the wearable? So let's see. Okay, let's adjust first the quick release pin here. Okay, so fully locked. The other one, let's check. Okay, see. Okay, so we have here the wearable. Okay, so to give you an idea of the look, so we don't have a stainless steel here, so this is plastic. Okay, I think Zeblaze really, okay, push it to the limit when it comes to the weight of this wearable. Very light. Okay, so we have here, okay, another wearable that's it is similar, okay, to the Zeblaze Meteor. Okay, so this is a smartwatch look. Okay, you see it, metal body. Okay, and we have here the strap also with this steel buckle. Okay, so this is how it looks like when you wear the Zeblaze Meteor. Very lightweight, okay, very comfortable to wear. So let's remove this and check for the display. Okay, wow, I love here on the side, as you can see, very slim bezel. Okay, on the bottom part it is a bit thick, but so far on the side of the display, okay, the bezel here is very slim. Okay, 2.5D tempered glass, okay, with a slight curve, I think. Okay, so let's check if we still have a power. Okay, I can feel a bit of vibration, and that's it. Very fast loading. This is your Zeblaze Smartwatch. Okay, so beautiful screen display, very sharp. The black is real black. Let me change the wallpaper here so that we can see the exact bezel here. Okay, so as you can see here, curved corner for the display. Okay, very slim bezel, very bright. Okay, sharp color screen. Okay, nice. So far it is very comfortable to use, very lightweight. Okay, and the design is good. Okay, let's have a closer look to the device. So it is asking for a connection to the support app. So we have here a glossy, okay, brush finish type. Okay, for the body we have the power connector, we have the heart rate monitor. Okay, and as you can see here, seems like we have a uni body design. Okay, for the wearable. Okay, so it seems like we don't have a space here. Okay, so it's a unibody design. That's why it has an IP68 waterproof rating. Okay, beautiful screen display, 2.5D. Okay, the color is very vivid and bright. Okay, touch screen, supports touch screen. Okay, so that's it for your Zeblaze Meteor Smartwatch. Our first look for the Zeblaze Meteor Smartwatch. Watch out for our second video review for this wearable as we check on its features and menus. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.